Welcome to our tour exploring the traditional craft villages of Vietnam. On this journey, you will experience traditional crafts have been passed down for centuries, creating a region's famous specialties. Together, we will visit three unique crafts: coconut candy making, rice paper making pot rice. We begin our journey at the coconut candy making village, one of the most famous specialties of the Mekong Delta. Coconut candy is made from fresh coconut palm sugar and condensed milk, giving it a sweet and rich flavor. To make perfect coconut candy, we select the freshest coconuts, grate the coconut first, and then cook with palm sugar until it thickens. The mixture is put into molds, allowed to cool and packaged. Coconut candy is must-have treat for special occasions in Mekong Delta. And next, we move on the rice paper making village, a staple in Vietnamese cuisine. Rice paper is made entirely by hand from rice, water, and a pinch of salt. After being spread thin on a melt, the rice paper is dried in the sun for a few hours, resulting in a perfect batch of chewing, delicious rice papers from many dishes. And finally, we come to another unique craft, making gom. Gom is a traditional dish made from young rice. After harvest, the grains are roasted until fragrant. Then wrapped gum is considered a delicate treat often associated with special festivals and occasions. The rice is roasted evenly over a slow flame to preserve its natural flavor. It is not only delicious but also a symbol of refinement in Vietnamese culture. Today's tour is just a small part of many experiences you can discover in Vietnam. If you want to immerse yourself in the peaceful rural atmosphere, learn about unique crafts, and taste authentic regional dishes, don't hesitate.